Hello guys, welcome back to Team Visionaries. It's your girl Salome here. So today I've got keyless entry for a G-Wagon that I want to show you. So here is the VeekTuning product of the keyless entry for this G-Wagon. So I'm gonna use this G-Wagon to explain everything because it has already been installed with the keyless entry. First of all, I'm gonna give you examples, or like what can I say, advantages of having a keyless entry, about 3 or more. So first of all is convenience. Convenience is self-explanatory. It's convenient for you to have keyless entry. You don't have to have your key in the hands. As you can see, my own key is right here. I'm gonna put it back in the pocket. Here comes the convenience. I don't need to put it outside. Let's say I have got a lot of stuff in my hands. I can easily unlock my car and I close it. And when I close it, it can actually lock. That's point number one, convenience. And number two is gonna be safety. In terms of like you're feeling unsafe, you think like somebody's following you and you really don't have time to be searching like where did I put the key, where is the key. You can actually come and directly unlock your car, enter the car, and then you hit the road. Number three is technology, because this is a way advanced technology for you to be able to unlock your car without the key in your hands. As long as the key is on your body, you will be able to unlock your car. Number four is prevention of the loss of the key, because the car will actually tell you either the key is in the car or it's outside. Like that, you'll be able to locate your key. You won't be able to leave it inside or leave it outside. So these are just some of the advantages of having a keyless entry. Guys, would you want to have this feature on your car? If yes, you do want to have this feature, you know what you can do is actually contact me. You can actually leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. You know how we do it. Elevate your drive, define your style. Keyless entry. Okay. Wait, come on. Here's the key. It's loud. Oh. Closes and locks. Here, hand in, open, close, and lock. Okay, let's go. Here we open. Okay. Close, closes, and lock. Okay. Here we open. Wow. Close.